Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do scoring in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can get started, and in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one, and if you already have an account, just log into your Google account normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. This is going to be our home page right here, which is the main page from which we can get started creating a new form. If you do not already have one, we can take a look at all the recently created forms that we already have right here and so on. So let's go and take a look at basically what we can do to enable scoring in our forms. So if you don't already have a form, what you can do is click the plus button right here. This is going to enable us to create a form. Here you can go ahead and give your form a name, you can give it a description, input any questions you like, and so on. I have already created my form right here, so as you can see, this is now going to enable me to go ahead and open it up. So here's my tutorial form for a video where I have a question with some answers and so on, and now I can enable scoring. First things first, you're going to add your questions that you want to enable scoring for. So here I have a question. As you can see, it's multiple choice. You can choose whatever option you want, like a rating, linear scale, and so on. You can choose whichever option you want. Once you have set up all your questions in your form and you're ready to turn the ratings on so that you'll be able to rate them, basically guys, this is how to enable scoring. You're going to go into the settings tab. In the settings tab, you can go ahead and choose this option right here that we're going to go ahead and be using that makes this a quiz. This is going to enable us to assign point values, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. This is going to enable us to enable scoring in our Google Forms. So by turning this on, this is going to make this a quiz, and then the questions are going to enable you to be scored. They're going to have points and so on, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.